Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to hide or how to show your desktop icons on your Windows 11. So in my desktop guys, the all icon was showing. So I want to hide these all icons. To hide this guys, just what you need to do, you want to right click on your desktop on the empty space and here extend the view option. At the end you can get the option show desktop icons. Just if you want to hide, just you want to uncheck this option, that's it. As you can see, my all desktop icon was hidden. So if you want to unhide them, same thing, just right click on your desktop empty space, go to the view and just you want to check this show desktop icon, that's it, very simple. So as you can see, all my desktop icon was showing in my PC. So this is the very easy and very simple method to hide and unhide the desktop icons on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.